The 30th of June, you don't have papers for you or your son, please go to the nearest police station. Operation Abahambe will begin tomorrow. If you are a foreigner, go to your country. Abahambe Abdulete.
Welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also do comment la mailana na le video. Le video le I'm fine. I got this video on Facebook and ngibona abantu abaningi kuma comment la ngithola khona le video, ngibona abantu abaningi kuma comment bekushayela ihlombe lokho okukhulunywe uye lo muntu lo okhulumayo la. Is it wrong? Was he wrong? Is there anywhere mhlambe la aphule khona ke umthetho? If ever you think so, tell me why you think lo muntu njengoba ekhuluma la empopweni ke ubekhuluma ke into engacacanga noma engafanele ukuthi ke ayikhulume. Some are saying this guy was noma needs to be like taken, there is action that needs to be taken just because of his code of conduct. He just broke his code of conduct for his work. Tell me if that is true and tell me why you think it's true. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.